Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers, and today we're discussing the Dell PowerEdge R440 high-end server. This is one of the mid-range rack-mounted servers that we get from Dell. It comes with a 3-year warranty, and you'll notice here it's got the option of 2 individual processors. We're starting with one, which has got the Xeon Silver. It's an 8-core processor, and you've got the option of down the road putting a second processor. In addition to that, we've currently got 32 gigs of RAM, giving them 64, and you can upgrade that to 1 terabyte of RAM if you want to. If you look over here, we've actually got the hard drives. We're running with 3.84 terabyte enterprise level solid state drives. The importance of using enterprise level solid state drives as opposed to regular solid state drives is that the read-write pressure that the drives are under in a server are going to kill a normal solid state drive within about 18 months. And the last thing you want in a server is for your hard drive to die. Now, these are running on a RAID 1. That means that the drives are mirrored. If one drive fails, we can simply put another drive in. In addition to that, we've got a lot of upgradability to put additional drives in down the road. If you look over here, we've got the power supply unit. We've got 2 power supplies. One is for redundancy. Each power supply will be plugged into its own battery backup UPS. If a power supply dies or a UPS dies, you carry on going, it'll automatically roll over to the other power supply. You've got a lot of cooling, and this is going to be typically mounted in a rack. Now, if you look over here, this will show you the specs. We're running with 8 cores, 16 threads, and we recommend at the moment using Server Standard 2019, and you can increase the number of cals depending on the number of users that you've got. One of the features that Impress also offers is the server migration. So if you're running server 2003 or 2008, you really need to get off that in a hurry. If you're running server 2012, you need to plan to start moving towards 2019. And we're already starting to see issues with 2012 servers. With the migration, the good thing is we've got our team that will set everything up, work with your software vendors, get all the software installed. We then go on site, we put the servers side by side, and we get that replication process going so that the servers are basically mirrored. When the time comes, typically on a Friday afternoon, we'll start the data transfer. We'll move the data from one server to the next. By the time you come in on Monday, we will have worked all our magic, and all of your employees will be up and running on the new server, no downtime. So if you want to avoid the frustration, don't wait for your server to crash. Contact Impress Computers and we'll sit down with you and make a plan so that you minimize downtime and you get the right server for your needs. If you've got any questions, give us a call, 281-647-9977.